If you run a Saas product and see potential customers leaving your site just seconds after watching the demo, the problem is the demo. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix that with a clear and a professional product video demo which explains your product's value and helps you convert visitors into signups without spending weeks on production or thousands of dollars on agencies. I'll show you how everything works step by step so you can see exactly how to turn a simple demo recording into a ready-to-share product video. I'm Brand from Website Learners, and let's get started. We're going to create a demo video using a single tool called VideoMule. It's an AI-powered tool that instantly transforms your screen recording into a product demo video like this.
Hi guys, in this video we're going to see how to upload a video on Vimeo. First, we'll click on the Create button and select Upload from the drop-down menu. The Upload page opens. Drag your video file directly onto the Drop Files to Upload area on the Vimeo page. Great! Your video will start uploading immediately.
We're going to do this in just 4 simple steps. The first step is to record your screen. Now this is where we record everything needed to create a clear product demo video. So to record your screen, just search for VideoMule.ai, then sign in on this page. Alright, we successfully signed into VideoMule. Now to record our screen, let's click on Record. Next, choose whether you want to record only the screen or include the microphone audio as well. If you enable the audio, the AI will also use the recorded audio content to generate the script. Since we are going to generate the audio automatically, let's select Screen Only. Next, select the screen. It can be a single tab, window, or the entire screen. I'm going to select the entire screen and start recording by clicking Share. Once the screen recording begins, simply perform the exact steps you want your audience to learn from your product demo video. For example, I'm creating a product demo video showing how to convert a Word file into a PDF. Once you're done, click on Stop Sharing. To view the recording of the product demo, switch back to the VideoMule tab, and here you'll see the recorded video. So let's play it. Alright, now we can move on to the second step, which is to review the script. To do that, just click on Continue to Create Video. And you can see that our screen recording has been uploaded here. First, enter a title for your product demo video. This title helps viewers immediately understand what your demo is about, so make sure it clearly matches the product or feature that you're showing. Now scroll down and you'll see an option to choose the audio language. VideoMule has more than 70 languages, which makes it easy to create a product demo for a global audience. Plus, VideoMule lets you translate your demo seamlessly from any input language to any output language, so you can easily choose the one that fits your audience. I'm going to select English. Next, choose a voice that you want for your product demo. You will find multiple options here, including male, female, and neutral voices. Click on any voice to preview how it sounds.
The years teach much which the days never know.
Design shapes the future by merging dreams with reality.
And decide which one fits best for your brand or product style. And the best part is, you're not limited to just built-in voices. You can even add your own voice if you want. I'm going to select this voice and click Confirm. Now click on Start Processing. VideoMule scans the uploaded recording and automatically writes a script that describes each action happening on the screen. As you see, the processing has finished. On the right side, a full script has been generated and broken down into clear sections that match the flow of your product demo. If you click here, you can preview the product demo video using a temporary AI voice. The final high-quality voiceover will be created in the next step.
Hi guys, in this video, we're going to see how to convert Word to PDF document step by step.
Keep in mind that this is just a preview voice to help you review the script. So now you have complete control over the script for your product demo. If you want to remove any line, just click here to delete it. And if you want to edit any line, simply click on it and update the text. Once you're done, click Save. Now if you play the video again, you'll instantly hear the updated line.
Now, scroll down to view the full list of available conversion tools.
You can edit any part of the script in the same way and preview it along with your visuals. Alright, so now we've successfully reviewed and edited the product demo voiceover script, which means we're ready to go to the next step, which is to generate the final video. To generate the video, simply click on Generate Video, and VideoMule will create a realistic AI voiceover and automatically sync it with the video you uploaded. Once it is finished, you'll be taken directly to the video editing page. Here, you'll see the video you uploaded placed on this track and the AI generated voiceover from our script added to the audio track below. So now let's play it by clicking here.
Hi guys, in this video, we're going to see how to convert Word to PDF document step by step. I'll type ilovepdf.com in.
As you can see, the audio and the visuals are perfectly aligned, and if everything looks good, you can export the video right away. Next, let's look at how you can make changes to this video by editing the timeline. First, you don't want subtitles in your product demo, so simply click on them and press delete and the subtitles will be removed. If you want to zoom into the timeline, click here to zoom in. The top track shows the video and the bottom track shows the audio. To shorten a clip and remove any empty gap, select the clip and then adjust its length by dragging from the edge. To remove the gap, select the remaining clips on the track and drag them forward to fill the space. Now when you play the video again,
the PDF is now downloaded and you can see it in your browser's download section. Let's open the downloaded file to check our conversion.
you'll see that the gap has been removed. Once you're happy with the edits, click on the save icon to store all your changes. So now you successfully edited a product demo video using the timeline. To export the final version of the video, click export video again. And once the file is downloaded, open it to view the final result.
Hi guys, in this video, we're going to see how to convert Word to PDF document step by step. I'll type ilovepdf.com in the address bar. Let's navigate to the ilovepdf website. Now, scroll down to view the full list of available conversion tools. Let's select the Word to PDF tool.
As you can see, we now have a complete product demo video created from a simple screen recording that originally had no voice at all. So now we've successfully edited and exported a product demo video. Now if you open the usage section, you'll see a detailed view of how much usage you've consumed so far. Since I'm on the free plan, I can upload up to 3 minutes of video. If you need more than that, you can upgrade based on your requirements. VideoMule offers Plus, Team and Pro plans. The key difference between these plans is the number of screen recording minutes you can upload each month along with how many members you can add. I'll go ahead and select the Plus plan and complete the payment here. Next, let's see how you can collaborate with your team. To invite someone, click Invite Members. Enter the email address of your colleague, select their role, and click Send Invitation. After they accept the invite, they'll be able to upload their own videos and access the shared projects inside your organization. And this is how you can create amazing product demo videos using VideoMule. Now it's your turn, so go ahead and give it a try and let us know what you think about it in the comments below. So to get started, the first step is to sign up on VideoMule, and to do that, just click here and create your VideoMule account. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like and subscribe to Website Learners to discover more amazing tools like this one. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.